Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to share with you shortcut key to remove or hide or dismiss notification in your Windows 10. So let's take a look how to do that. In order to do that, whenever you will see any notification appear in your computer, just simply press in your keyboard Win key, Shift plus B, and then click the delete key, and you will see immediately your that pop-up notification going to be hide or dismiss. Just simply whenever I appear that notification icon, just simply click in your keyboard Win plus Shift plus B and then click the delete key, and you will see immediately the notification going to be hide or dismiss. So this is how you can easily hide or dismiss the notification with keyboard shortcut key. So that's for now guys. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.